What is up, guys? It's your boy RedemptionGabe, and in today's video I am going to teach you how to make a channel icon without using expensive software like Photoshop and things like that. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, we're gonna open up paintNet. If you do not have paintNet, you can go I'll link it in the description down below. First things first, we're gonna open up a file. I will be using 800 by 800 for the purpose of this video. Second, we're gonna use a text file. The text box. We're gonna type in the font that we're gonna use. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna be using the Dream MMA font, which you can get at thefont.com, free of charge. I'm gonna put the font of 550, but if it's too big like it is right now, I'm gonna tone it down to 350, which is no problem over here. Make sure the icon is centered like it is right now, and then we can start messing it around. You can see I'm already deleting the background, but I might keep the background because we might add a vignette to it. So go to photo, vignette, and we're gonna add a nice vignette on it. And make sure your vignette it's not as don't put an excessive vignette, make sure you put it really nice to it. Because I think what people do with vignettes, you have to make sure they're like don't put the radius too high. So I'll put my vignette like around 0.83, and there you go. There's my vignette. We'll do the same thing here. We'll go ahead and add new layer. So go to layers, import from file, and we'll do a this layer over here, and this is a red texture, and this is pretty nice. And we can go ahead and do that. Now the problem is we can't actually do it. Now how you actually do that? Now we have to notice that we have our background over here. We have to delete the art, but okay, you know what? I don't want this red one, so let me actually delete that. So go to layers, import from file, and we're gonna do the blue. I'm gonna do my blue diamond. Now you can get these from the internet. Make sure that you know where you're getting from the internet. I'm gonna go ahead and cover that. There you go. And that's exactly what we're doing. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go to R here. R is over here, right? I'm gonna delete this. There you go. You have an R. We still have the background over here, but we're gonna wanna oil paint this. We're gonna adjustments. I'm sorry, not adjustments. Effects, artistic, and oil painting. Let's see what we can achieve from this. And what you're gonna notice right now is we need to we're gonna go ahead and now the problem is we're not getting enough so what you're gonna do is you're gonna repeat the oil painting process until you're satisfied what you're getting. So no, this is not what I wanted. So what you're gonna do is, depending on the layer how you have your image, okay, so what you're gonna do is on the next step, this is a very confusing step because and I doubt you're gonna mess this up. So what you're gonna do is because we did a vignette over here, we have to select them all correctly, otherwise it's going to give you a lot of tolerance issues. To make sure you select them correctly. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna select the R, and I think we know where we're heading for this. Bam. So you're gonna select the whole background like that, and it's gonna come out like this. Not like this. If you select this, delete all. No, let me show what I mean. So it has to be like that. If it's anything other than that, it won't be very nice. So we're gonna go to artistic oil painting, and we're gonna do the background that we need. So go to artistic oil painting, and then we can just go ahead and corner these. So go to artistic. Let me try it again. So we're gonna repeat this all over. We're gonna repeat this until we get like a. I don't think I like it like that. So we know what we're heading for. So keep pressing Control F until you're very satisfied what you want your channel icon to look like, and there you go. I'm actually very satisfied to have it like that. Or you can keep going a little bit further more. So if you don't want to access the oil painting, just go here. Okay, I actually like it like that. This is a lot better. So we're gonna go to artistic. We're gonna go to actually go to layers, import from file. We're actually gonna insert this brick wall texture, and this is gonna be like our, I don't know what to call this, but there's a texture. Actually, let's not insert a brick wall texture. That's gonna be pretty stupid, anyways. Alright, so go to curves, and we're gonna by adjustments, and you can see you can adjust the curves to see how they look, and you can see they're looking pretty nice over here. Shoot, I'm gonna auto level it, and this doesn't look right, so we're gonna go to background and auto level. See, it's looking pretty good. Now, I want to go on the internet and get a grunge background, but actually we're not, because actually, let me reinsert that background. So go to import from file, and what you're gonna do is we're gonna go to I think it's under multiply. You can do it like that, but make sure the transparency is low. Wanna go to screen, I guess. I'm gonna try overlay and see how this goes. And then we're gonna put it underneath of here. And with the auto level it, I guess. The problem is the saturation of color is too high. Okay, that's not gonna help it. Put it on multiply, and we're gonna auto level it, and we're gonna go to curves again, and we adjust them again, and you can see how nice it's coming out in a way. Okay, now that's way too high, and you can see it's coming out pretty nice. And we're gonna go to noise. I'm gonna go to actually, you can actually can actually duplicate that, but actually let's not do it like that. So alright, So we're gonna go to effects, photo, glow. Now for that we'll go to photo sharpen, and you can play around with all these effects till you're very satisfied how you want your effects to look like. You crystallize it to make it really nice. But I recommend to do a little bit of it, because if you just do too much of it, it's gonna look really ugly, let me tell you. So we're gonna crystallize it just over here. And yeah, let me tell you, that brick effect looks really nice. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the store. I'm gonna use frosted glass, not crystallized, I guess, and you can see this looks really nice. And there you go. We're gonna go ahead. That's pretty much. Let me show the difference what it looks like. You can see, and that's pretty much how you make a YouTube icon. I hope this helps you out on RedemptionGabe, helping you how to make a YouTube channel and icon, and helping you how to do a lot of things, and also playing games on is one of the things I do on YouTube. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, didn't find it helpful, give it a thumbs down, and I'll see you next time, next week. Be prepared, I will be doing a live stream starting every month in order to cool it down a bit, and just to cool it off, because I think that it's just stupid to do a live stream every day and every other week. So stay tuned and stay redemption.